Dear learners, some important questions related to English teaching have been created which can be useful and important from the point of view of the upcoming examination. Let us move forward in this order. Note there are three sections A, B, and C, and the candidate has to attempt questions from all sections. Marks are indicated against each section. Section A, question number 1. Note answer all questions. Each answer should be in about 150 words. In the same order, A, discuss the qualities of a good English teacher. B, use the audio visuals aids in English teaching. C, explain intensive and extensive reading in English. D, discuss the utility of libraries in English teaching. E, discuss the problem of developing English language in India. Let us move forward in this order. Section B, note answer all question of the following. Each answer should be in about 400 words. 2A, discuss the importance of teaching English in India, or what are the steps in teaching English prose and poetry. Question number 3 is formulate the aims and objectives of teaching English at junior stage in the school, or describe the different type of test used to evaluate the achievement of the pupils in English. Question number 4. A, make a macro lesson plan for teaching in English on a skill introduction of your own choice of topic level, or what is the importance of homework in English teaching. Question number 5 is define the micro teaching, create a micro teaching cycle and explain the importance of micro teaching, or explain the case of poor handwriting and how it can be improved. Question number 6, how is silent reading different from reading about, or what is the importance of speaking skill for language learners. Let us move forward in this order. Section C, note answer any two question. Each should be in 800 words. Question number 7 is what are the components of a good lesson plan. Prepare a lesson plan for teaching English, poetry, or prose at class 8 level on a topic of your choice. Question number 8 is discuss the process of teaching in English by direct method. Illustrate with suitable examples. Question number 9 is describe the various principles of teaching used in teaching English. Question number 10 is explain the advantage and disadvantage of structural approach in English teaching. Illustrate with suitable examination. Thank you.